Do you know how to earn money from chatting and all? Like you chat with the Facebook, you chat on the WhatsApp, you chat on the Instagram, you chat on the Snapchat. Do you know how to earn money from that? Let's get started. Let's see how and how we can earn thousands of dollars in only in couple of minutes. Okay, so let's get started. And we have the very fantastic tool, and we have the very fantastic all the trainings including into this.
Just a minute. Before you head over to the download area to access ChatterPal and all that good stuff, I want to give you access to something that our ChatterPal customers are using right now to make 4 to 5 figures in earnings each month. Did you know that every ChatterPal you create using our innovative 3D avatar and smart chat automation technology can be sold for $500 to $1,000 each? Businesses around the world are craving new ways to engage their prospects and customers to sell more and earn more. Most business owners and marketers do not have the time, skill, or the budget to create engaging chat agents for their websites. This presents you with a great opportunity to profit. ChatterPal beta testers and customers are currently landing clients who pay $500 to $1,000 a month using the tools and training included in this exclusive agency upgrade. What you are about to get access to on this page is the most requested ChatterPal agency license. When you purchase this license, all our branding will be removed from the interactive chat agents you create. You can place ChatterPals on any websites without our Powered by ChatterPal branding that you create with the regular ChatterPal license. The best part is, you can use our inbuilt chat translation and the cutting-edge text-to-speech engine to create interactive ChatterPals for business owners around the world. Don't like a text-to-speech voice? Now with the agency license, you can adjust the pitch and tone of the voice to your liking for ultimate flexibility. Agency license holders can also create avatars and text-to-speech voice tracks twice the length compared to regular ChatterPal users. This means you can have an avatar read out long scripts and sales messages as per your client's needs. You can charge your clients more for creating longer avatar videos and chat flows. If you do some research, you will quickly realize that less than 5% of websites have an interactive chat agent. This means that the market is wide open for you to start selling. Competing chat automation services generally cost a hefty monthly fee. Many chat services also require you to hire staff and virtual agents to respond to questions. Our artificial intelligence and smart chat automation converts more sales and leads around the clock without any human involvement, saving business owners time and money. With ChatterPal, you can create unlimited chat agents for yourself and your clients in any language within minutes.
Don't have any experience or knowledge about selling chat agent services to website owners and local businesses? No problem. We have step-by-step training that will take you by the hand and show you where and how you can sell these chat services for maximum profits. We want to make this an absolute no-brainer. So we have taken feedback from our beta testers and customers to include some premium features into this upgrade at no additional cost. Don't have the time and creativity to create chat templates yourself? I have some good news. As an agency member, you get access to 25 ready-made chat templates from the hottest niches that you can instantly use to create ChatterPals for dentists, chiropractors, plumbers, lawyers, and more. Don't have your niche included? You can quickly customize the customizable chat templates to cater to any business. We also know that agency customers may need to work in teams to meet client needs or outsource the entire chat creation process. To accommodate your needs, we are including 5 licenses to the ChatterPal app in the agency license. This means 5 people from your team can simultaneously work from your account to create videos faster than ever before. And here comes the best part. On popular demand, ChatterPal now integrates with Zapier. With this, you can now sync ChatterPal with any third-party service. With one click, you can now send all the emails you collect via ChatterPal into your favorite autoresponder. Sync your appointments, orders, and responses collected inside ChatterPal into your favorite CRM platform so you can follow up with clients and keep everything organized. This saves you hours of manual work. Automation is now at your fingertips. Here's Paul with some more inside scoops about this powerful agency upgrade.
Wow, that is some amazing value. It can't get better than this. You can activate the agency license right now and start profiting within 24 hours. Yes, it's that powerful. Think about it. With just one sale, you can make back your entire investment and a lot more today. And if you thought that was a lot, wait till you hear what I'm about to reveal. You want a human spokesperson just like me in your videos selling your products and services? Top paying clients and companies always request for a professional human spokesperson in their videos to deliver their message. And hiring human spokespersons can be very expensive, often running into $400 or more for every single minute of video recorded. And finding professional spokespersons is time consuming, expensive, and even frustrating. To eliminate the frustration for our agency members, we did all the homework to hire a professional human spokesperson to record videos in 25 of the hottest niches, including fitness, weight loss, finance, healthcare, local business, technology, and a whole lot more. As an agency member, you can now also sell these 25 human spokesperson sales videos to businesses online and offline to add new profit streams. You can also use them as your own chat agents to boost sales and yes, even your results. Only agency members get access to this exclusive 25 human spokespersons pack. This means you can profit faster than even other ChatterPal customers without worrying about saturation. These human spokesperson videos sell for top dollar online. This single 25 human spokesperson bundle is worth over $3,000, and we've covered the cost for you so you can get all this as part of the agency upgrade. On top of all this, you also get access to the very best and proven professional fill-in-the-blank client briefs and contracts. You can instantly customize and send these contracts to clients and turn them into recurring customers who pay you month after month. You no longer have to pay hefty fees to get your contracts written. You can simply use our done-for-you client contract templates and close big-ticket client deals. You're getting a complete package or everything that you need to start selling your chat services for thousands of dollars each month. Are you excited yet? We're giving you all the tools, the training, and the resources that you need to start your very own agency business. In the Reveal All training, we will also show you all the secret networks filled with millions of clients who are actively looking to pay hundreds of dollars for the same chat agents that you can create with ChatterPal in just a few minutes. If you reach this far, I know that you are one of our VIP customers who is highly motivated to use ChatterPal to change the way you do business online. So on top of all the exciting never seen before features, we're also going to provide you unlimited support, the ability to create unlimited ChatterPals, and the agency license to sell ChatterPal services to unlimited clients offline and online. This kind of deal has never been offered before anywhere on the web. In fact, we will double your money back if you can find any service online where you can find all these services that we are offering on this page at equal or lower value. We will also let you keep the app as we are sure no one else can offer what we're offering to you today at this jaw-dropping low price. We are giving away the agency license for such a low price as we want to keep providing you with 5-star service so you can sit back, relax, and enjoy the profits that you generate. Click the link below to reserve your spot and become an agency license owner right now. Due to the unbelievable nature of what we are offering, this special time-sensitive launch price may be removed at any time without notice. This might be your only chance to become an agency license holder. Once you leave this page, we can no longer guarantee this one-time launch special price ever again. I won't be too surprised if the price doubles or triples if you get to see this page again. Don't wait any longer. Click the button below to secure your spot and become a certified agency license holder. ChatterPal gives you the power to create fully interactive chat agents in any language. And there's no doubt in my mind that your clients will instantly boost their ROI and come back for more. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. So click the button below and get started risk-free. Remember, your purchase is backed by our 30-day no questions asked money back guarantee. Give it a try and secure your spot now. You're covered by our guarantee if you change your mind later and decide this is not for you. Join this small group of premium agency members who are making 4 to 5 figures per month using this license. I will talk to you soon. Hit the button below and secure your spot right now.